The headline comes immediately after your name, and it could be used in two ways depending on who you are at the moment. So, if you're a job seeker, the best thing you could actually do with your headline is to write out the roles, or should I say the titles, which you want to be found for whenever people are searched for. Like if you know the skills you already have, which you are offering, the services you are offering, that is where you could add it. And please don't just write graphic design, because graphic design is a service, yes, but people search for service providers, so it should be graphic designers or a copywriter or things like that. Just know what you want to write. And for the professionals already, it's a little bit easier. You just have to write it like a short bio. This is who I am, this is what I do for people, or things like that. It's very similar to it, but at least here you won't have the space to put all the titles you've gotten if you're in the academic section.